Blessings be to the Most High. Through the Almighty we shall continue to find true illumination. Blessed morning, see? African culture is lost from generations. Memories denied like freedom. Will our children understand? The spirits of our ancestors is like a forgotten song. I rise from the spell, my people. Chant this one loud and strong. Singing these songs to brothers, Africans, wherever they go. Singing these songs to brothers, Africans, wherever they go. Singing these songs to brothers, Africans, wherever they go. I pray you find your way. Remember the place. Step away out of Babylon, yeah.
Oh, shining out nice and mellow this morning. It's Samri I and the Black Heart Band. Reggae month, you know, so we've got to do
Reggae
big.
month, we have to come out with a bang.
Did you see how Samri was moving? Samri was moving to, you know, when the music takes you, right? Your body starts to do.
You know who has that kind of floating movement? Buju Banton. When he performs, Buju just kind of float and
something about the music, man. When it hits, you feel no pain. You just feel good. So I can beg you to chop up that prompter for me, somebody, please. Good morning, everybody. It is, guess what? Daylight to end of February.
Well, it's one more day.
End of February.
Yeah. And we're going into the best month of the year.
Which day is your day again?
March 27.
I'm going to get you the best gift ever. Oh my God. You're going to love it. You're going to love it.
You know.
Don't complain.
So the bad flu beat me and I can't.
I'm not used to seeing you sick.
No.
Where did you get that flu from? Where did
it's just going around. I have to big up the York Pharmacy people and them late night run, because when it licked me last night, I was like, which pharmacy is open? Where can I go get Vicks?
Vicks still away here? You rub it on your chest?
Chest,
and on your
back,
back,
foot bottom.
And on your foot bottom, did you put on socks?
This now I'll say with caution. I tip a little bit in water and drink it.
Don't try that at home.
Some people have it by itself, but when I have it, tip it in the water.
Put it in the mouth by itself?
Yeah, just a little tip
so I don't
in the
drink
water.
the ones that taste like
like what?
Like Vicks. You have some of them like,
no,
I don't know if Buckley's is still on the market.
The Vicks and it go down so. And then I bought Cavonia cough syrup. I only put it in the take last night. I'm having me no sleep all night.
How do you feel this morning?
Pain I lick me from my head to my toe.
You see, and that is...
And I feel cold and my heart.
Yeah.
My head hurt, my butt.
And she's here.
Smile.
So this is a very unforgiving work, you know, ladies and gentlemen.
I knew Harrow was going to be here.
Yeah,
and I don't get to see Harrow except when I come to work.
Yeah.
So I had to come to see Harrow.
That was a definite high roll. Thank you for coming out, lady. Sometimes we want to stay in bed, but we come out anyway, despite how we feel, because we know that this program plays an important role in your lives, and we feel good too when we come out sometime, are we? No, say it make you feel happy. So we're here on the 27th of February.
Yeah.
Good morning to our
not
friends.
fair call shortly if I come carry me to a doctor.
No, you're not going to any doctor. Don't say that.
No, I'm not going with doctor, I know. That's why they're there. Then go to school for help we get
Go
better.
drink some Leaf Alive, some Love Bush, and so.
Love Bush for fever, for flu.
Everything. Busy cure everything from gas down to asthma.
Then a busy name Love Bush?
No, I said drink some Love Bush, Leaf of Life, and some Busy.
But why Love Bush? All Love Bush come in a flu. You know, just drink some
Valentine's
Bush.
just gone, maybe. So no, can enhance your relationship.
Drink 9 Bush.
TelevisionJamaica.com, folks. Good morning to the folks on Modspot Media as well, and all our friends on our social platforms: Insta, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook. Did I get it? Appreciate you. Thank you for being here with us this morning on Smile. So, let me tell you what's on the program. We have to keep it going in our car. Daily is fading fast, so we have to get the show going. So here's what's happening on the show this morning. If you could cue the prompter, I would tell you. It's a Girl Power Tuesday, everybody, 27th of the month. Here's what's happening. Self-defense moves for the everyday traveler. Lord knows we need it with what's going on in Jamaica, especially for the ladies. Listen up for that later on.
On Girl Talk, we'll be discussing things that women love to see men wear.
Give me one thing that you love to see.
That I love to see men wear? Just a nicely fit pants. I don't like to see the pants at the knee. I don't want to see your bottom. I don't. That's too much information for me. So nicely fit pants, I'm good.
Some ladies would say they love to see their man in a whole lot of nothing.
Well, depends.
That's another discussion.
You know, I watched yesterday, sorry, Kerry, when the pastor talked about the woman who must carry back then granny.
Yes, duster.
Granny duster. And I said, but I hear pastor talk, me not hear pastor talk about the man them.
He got there. And
he did?
Oh no, but he didn't talk about their shoes or their clothes. Or...
He never said the man them to stop walking up and down in the boxer with the hole in it. Round the house.
The boxer needs a hole though, you know. Are you talking about the one that's built in?
Not more than, not 60 hole in it. You know, so I agree with him that you have to look up. It's nice to look a certain way, but why the woman alone must dress properly at home.
Sometimes the mothballs in the drawer don't work and they wrote them out.
In the marina we tear up.
It's not road.
No, Pastor, me I wait for the part 2 of the service there.
There was a part 2, but I was hoping that we'd have used it for Girl Talk this morning.
Yes,
you know,
I want to see the part 2.
It never worked out.
If him not talk about the men, then Pastor, no.
He was talking about the men who leave the woman in the house and then turn the color of the house. And then he was saying, you know, take her out, fit her the same way you got her supposed to look better. Don't leave her in the house, make her sit down, put on a holy voice, and then you use that derogatory word.
Then why she staying at the house?
And then he said that you come home
she not have a key.
And you should be in the fridge, and I wonder whether for dinner when you're done, do nothing for the day except get your tough jeans for wash and your old stinking booger. I'm just telling you what the pastor said. Booger mean your sneakers. That's if
but just say you were supposed to have a grill key though.
Hey?
Me, you said them left the woman in the house. Me, I said, why you left in the house? If you have a grill key, pull it and go on.
Yeah.
Yes.
But he was really trying to minister to keep couples together. So I guess if something resonated with you, then fantastic. We're also going to reopen the discussion on reducing scandal bag use in Jamaica. My God, we've been talking about that for so long. Something finally happened. And
it's going on a fruitarian diet, good or bad. Plus, Samurai Eye on the stage.
Okay.
So enough things are going on this morning.
Alright, well, let's do the Girl Power hot topics. It's not really Girl Power hot topics, but it's hot topics on a Girl Power Tuesday. Cue the music, please, ladies and gentlemen, and let's do this. So where are my hot topics gone? Go on, Dales.
All right, so I don't know how much time we're going to say this. Beware bike robbers. Cyclists said crashing into cars to lure drivers out. So the police is saying it's a growing trend. Robbers on motorcycles are deliberately crashing their bikes into motor cars in an attempt to lure drivers to stop, after which they are robbed. In one case, a female victim said she was on her way home from church about 8 p.m. when a bike with 2 men aboard slammed into the side of her car. When she stopped, one of them jumped off the bike, but just in time, there was a man coming from the opposite direction that was nearby, and him say, you know, Sam, me did see when them come round, and the man jumped back on the bike and he rode off.
It's a tactic, folks.
So the damage to the back of a car, along with the visor and rearview mirror, will cost about $70,000 to repair.
But she still has her life. And
I don't
no value
understand
on
something
that.
though, Simone.
Tell me.
Okay. You know, it's like we have issues over and over and over and over again. I mean, I wonder when we're going to solve them. So like bikes, for example. If a car hits you and you take off the license plate and you can trace the owner and whatever, you don't have to stop, because you take the plate, you can drive to a police station and say 9456 AG, lick me. So
bikes have plates too, right?
Bikes are just arbitrary.
They're supposed to have plates.
Well,
so
them seem to be arbitrary. Somebody can correct me. And it's not just robbery. We've seen where bike men are assassinating people. Right now, if me as a bike man, I would afraid to ride a bike in Jamaica.
Yep.
Because every time me I drive and me see a bike man, me I looking up. Because me I see where I go. Because me I wear precise a bike to size of my car, and my car not lose.
It's not a joke.
No, my car not lose.
From I hear, in the rear view,
yes,
and the side mirrors, because if the vehicle have to use as a weapon, it's going to use as a weapon. It lick out and it will do certain other damage. And what we need to understand is that people need to be savvy. I understand that you might be, you know, upset about the fact that your car got hit. And it's not just bike men doing it, cars are doing it too. I've heard instances from people who've lived it, of cars who drive them down. One person told me he was on the toll road at about 2 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. And a car drove him down and rammed him in the back. And he just had to step in that vehicle and move. So the minute you stop, you become prey.
Make them follow you to the police station.
Exactly.
That is my advice to you.
Exactly right.
Make them follow you, go to the police station.
Keep on moving.
And make the police handle it. But I think
the lady at the foot of Jackson yesterday had one on her left and one on her right, and they were both armed. And they told her to pull over. She had to stop the vehicle and came out. And they took the car and everything in it. So
my car swing to the right and to the left.
But police tell us all the time, you know, your car can be a weapon. So
bike men, same way I appeal to the taxi men, that you need to come forward and try to help the police with a system to protect your passengers. Bike men, the ones that are legal, you need to come forward and come up with a system that is going to protect you. Okay, you don't want people just turn vigilant and arbitrarily harming bike men when some of them really are just going about their business. But it's becoming too frequent, so something have to do. Michelle Obama is going to release her memoir in November.
Yes, ma'am, but we're talking about it from now because there's a lot of buzz.
Yeah. This got sold out before it's even print.
To read this. And it's a photographic journey, so that means we're going to see pictures too. Yay! It's going to be exciting.
It's called Becoming. So look out for that. Nice, Michelle. And finally, boy, let me tell you, Dolce & Gabbana, new handbags down the runway, and they decided that we don't need people to really carry these handbags, so they have drones carrying the handbag. Them soon lock we up in our house and just robot and computer and everything.
Robots sitting right here on the show. Do we have video of it, Terry? It's coming? All right, here we go. Fashion show.
Okay.
2020.
I don't know why them think this was a good idea.
I feel like I'm watching the Jetsons.
Maybe I'm not appreciative
but isn't that part of the experience, seeing how it looks on the model so that you can kind of visualize how it looks on you? I mean, unless you're a drone.
Because I'm looking at the bag now and none of the bags appeal to me because
You don't know how it looks on
it need a body. It need for the on a body.
Girl, everybody is trying to, you know, out-techie everybody else. So they would have been, Dolce & Gabbana can say they would have been the first to have drones on a fashion show, and that's really all that matters for them.
And then they had 2 presumable crash control members of the team up and down the runway in case something unexpected
Which
happened.
to me ruins the experience. Because look at the people in the white coats walking on the side. Then that ruin the experience, everybody. It's supposed to be seamless up there. Like 2 doctor in case one of them crash.
Yeah, they're saying if the audience members switch their Wi-Fi back on, it's going to create a transforming of the fleet into a flock of wild and threatening weapons.
Yeah, me not go to the fashion show there.
So,
no thanks. Projectiles.
You sit down and look for handbag and the next thing you know, the handbag them does start lick you. I never see this in my life. All right, Dolce & Gabbana. I will, it's forward thinking. I don't know though. So watch this. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. More I see that bag there on somebody.
Correct. Correct.
Then Mr. Dolce, you prefer pay for the drone them than give one human being one salary for walk with the bag?
It's probably cheaper, girl.
I don't think so.
Girl, cost control.
Am I going to use back a drone them? Can't use them back. It's still there now.
Must.
If I'm doing next fashion show and drone come out, people are going to say, oh, Dolce, not
That's
this
been
again.
done, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Should I ask you if you have birthdays?
Alune and Dumbia Samba.
Today?
It's her birthday today.
Hi, Miss
Blonde
Alune.
hair and
I
all.
know her COK family will be celebrating her today. As well,
Yeah.
all the folks who love you, have a happy, happy day.
Happy, happy day, my
Anybody
dad.
else?
Big support of Smile Jamaica.
What we said today,
So we're
then?
happy.
27th of February?
27th of February.
Who born? Skip around. Tra la 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 la. Happy birthday if you're born today. La 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 la.
So let us all begin. We know that love can win. Let it out, don't hold it in.